This is the HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, if we'll launch settings and enter the display category, as well as expand the available screen timeout values, we'll see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thus, if we would like to set this option to be never, we're gonna use the help of the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine, just like so. Once the needed app is found, open its page, click on this green install button, and wait for the Caffeine to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can simply launch the app, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout function of it has the infinite value set, and that will essentially mean that from now on, as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.